Start. For ready reference, Section 129E of the Customs Act 1962 is reproduced here under Section 129E. Stop. The tribunal or the commissioner within bracket appeals, as the case may be, shall not entertain any appeal under subsection within bracket 1 of Section 128 unless the appellant has deposited 7.5% of the duty in case where duty or duty and penalty are in dispute, or penalty where such penalty is in dispute in pursuance of a decision or an order passed by an officer of customs lower in rank than the principal commissioner of customs or commissioner of customs against the decision or order referred to in clause of subsection within bracket 1 of section 129A unless the appellant had deposited 7.5% of the duty in case where duty or duty and penalty are in dispute, or penalty here such penalty is in dispute in pursuance of the decision or order appealed against the decision or order referred to in clause within bracket B of subsection within bracket 1 of section 129A unless the appellant has deposited 10% of the duty in case where duty or duty and penalty are in dispute, or penalty where such penalty is in dispute in pursuance of the decision or order appealed against, provided that the amount required to be deposited under this section shall not exceed rupees 10 crores. Stop. Provided further that the provisions of this section shall not apply to the stay applications and appeals pending before any appellate authority prior to the commencement of the finance number 2 within bracket 4 Act 2014 passes. In view of the aforesaid statutory provisions of the Act, it appears that the statute has now effected waiver of pre-deposit to the extent of 90% or 92.5% of the duty amount and has made it mandatory to deposit 7.5% or 10% of the duty amount as the case may be. Stop. It ought to be kept in mind that the relief is granted by the law itself. Stop. Courts cannot be more charitable than the law. Stop. When the provisions of the law are explicitly clear, or where the provisions of law are absolutely unambiguous, such type of pre-deposits cannot be waived by the courts. Stop. Constitutional validity of the aforesaid provisions has also been upheld by the High Court of Allahabad in Ganesh Yadav versus Union of India reported in 2015, and also by the Bombay High Court in Harish Vora versus Union of India reported in 2017 stanza. Previously also similar issues have arisen before this court and other courts, especially under section 129E of the Act, even after the amendment of the Customs Act 1962 has been brought into force. Stop. Referring to the earlier judgment in Limited versus Commissioner of Customs 2015, it has been held by this court in Messrs. Diamond Entertainment Technologies Private Limited versus Commissioner Central Goods and Service Tax Commissionerate Dehradun and another, reported in 2019 at para 6 and 7. Stop. This court noted that the amended section 35F of the Act and section 129E of the Customs Act 1962 had come in for incisive examination by the High Court of Allahabad, speaking through Dr. Chief Justice in Ganesh Yadav versus Union of India, in respect of which para 9 of the judgment of this court observes as under stop para, dealing with the specific question as to whether the amended section 35F of the CE Act would apply to the case of the assessee. The Allahabad High Court held that the words in the amended section 35F indicated that on and after the date of its enforcement, an assessee in appeal was required to deposit the stipulated percentage of duty, and if it failed to do so, the entertainment the appeal stop over.